Hello, in this video I shall be discussing 5 topics. The first topic is slender loris. Slender loris is the name of an animal. It is a mammal. It belongs to the order of primates, and primates include monkeys, apes and animals like that. And these primates, this particular slender loris primate, it prefers to move on the tops of trees on tree branches. So that is how it moves. It belongs to the suborder of Strepsirrhine suborder. Strepsirrhine suborder primate order belongs to mammal. It's a mammal, mammalia. So slender loris has got its scientific name as Loris tardigradus. It is found in the rainforests of Sri Lanka and it is also native to India. So slender loris is native to India and Sri Lanka. It is a nocturnal kind of animal. It moves at nights especially, and it is very small. It prefers to move on tree tops and branches of trees. The IUCN status of slender loris is endangered. So IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. It would give status to animals depending on their numbers. So this numbers of slender loris are very few. So they are included in endangered species. So as they are endangered, it is given protection under Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. And here this is in news recently because in Tamil Nadu there were agitations and proposals for asking this Kadavu Reserve Forest especially to protect slender loris. So Kadavu Reserve Forest is in Tamil Nadu. And there is also a forest called Karur Forest, and in this Karur Reserve Forest also there are around 3,500 slender lorises found. This is also in Tamil Nadu. So this Kadavu Reserve Forest must be turned into wildlife sanctuary specially to protect slender loris. This is the demand of the people over there. So for this reason it is in news. So slender loris, with regard to that, two reserve forests to be known are Kadavu Reserve Forest and Karur Reserve Forest in Tamil Nadu, and especially in this forest of Karur there are 3,500 of slender lorises. The next topic is Exercise KONKAN 2021. This is an annual bilateral drill between two countries, as it is called bilateral. It is between India and the Britain. So both of their navies, they participate in this exercise every year annually. This started in 2004 and since then we are participating in this. For this reason, from India, a ship called INS Tabar is sent to Portsmouth in England. So the exercise is conducted over this area. So INS Tabar is a Talwar class frigate. It is sent from India. So HMS Westminster, this is British Royal Navy's ship. So the two ships that are participating in exercise Konkan from India or INS Tabar from British Royal Navy, that is HMS Westminster. So these are the two ships, and this particular exercise is aiming at functioning of the two navies with their interoperability, with good synergy between the two navies, and for cooperation betterment between the two navy units. So this is the main reason for having this particular exercise of Exercise Konkan 2021. It is held every year, and even this year it is held. The next topic is SGP 3.0 program. So SGP stands for Student Entrepreneurship Program. The Student Entrepreneurship Program, the third phase of the program, is recently conducted. This is a project under Atal Innovation Mission. Atal Innovation Mission is by the central government in order to give a fillip to these kind of schools, colleges and different functioning of students and various options they could have in their future. So that is Atal Innovation Mission. Atal Innovation Mission is especially taken up by NITI Aayog, and this student entrepreneurship program under Atal Innovation Mission is taken up by NITI Aayog with its hand in hand with Dassault Systems. So this is its partner. Dassault Systems is the partner of NITI Aayog in holding this student entrepreneurship program. So the main purpose of this program is to bring out young inventors of Atal Tinkering Labs. Atal Innovation Mission held up a whole certain labs called Atal Tinkering Labs. They work in schools, and here in these labs students will be equipped with various kinds of skill development. So these young inventors of Atal Tinkering Labs will be brought out with this student entrepreneurship program. The theme of this third phase of SGP program is Made in 3D, Seed the Future Entrepreneurs program. So this is for 3D development or teaching students with 3D skills in order to improve their entrepreneurship or business oriented programs. So this will include certain headings like seed funding, like for startups. So whoever is going to start a new entrepreneur, so for a new entrepreneur they will be given this seed funding. And 3D printing usage. They will be taught how a 3D printing can be used in their entrepreneurship. And marketing campaigns, they will be taught of this, and that also meant how to fix a product price in their business. And expansion strategies of this business will also be taught in this SGP 3.0 program. So this is a program recently launched. The third phase of it is recently launched under Atal Innovation Mission by NITI Aayog, hand in hand with Dassault Systems. So that Dassault Systems is going to train these students in student entrepreneurship program. The next topic is TOLCNDV. The full form of it is Tomato Leaf Curl New Delhi virus. So this sounds strange, but this is true. This tomato leaf curl is a disease that has caused huge havoc to the harvest of tomatoes. So there is a lot of loss in harvest due to this tomato leaf curl infection recently worldwide. This is not just fixed to India, but throughout the world there is a huge loss of harvest of tomato because of tomato leaf curl. So this is given the name of New Delhi virus. Tomato leaf curl New Delhi virus it is called, because it is seen for the first time in New Delhi in India. And next, it is also treated in India first. So no other country came forward with any treatment option for tomato leaf curl, but in India, National Institute of Plant Genome, it came up with some treatment for this tomato leaf curl, and this treatment is adopted by all other countries. So this is a prominent, a special thing about Indian research. So Indian National Institute of Plant Genome works under the Department of Biotechnology. Okay, DOBT, Department of Biotechnology under the Government of India. So this came up with a treatment for tomato leaf curl New Delhi virus, and all other countries are looking forward to adopt this treatment. So in this way, India has made some headline in terms of science and research. The next topic is Hindustan 228. Hindustan 228 is the name of a civilian aircraft. It is not totally made, but the ground tests are done for this making of Hindustan 228. This is called Hindustan because it is made by HAL. HAL stands for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So as HAL is making it, it is called Hindustan, and it is given this number of 228 because it is made on lines with military plane Dornier 228. So this is a military plane. So with the same fixation or with the same dome or with the same draft of this military plane Dornier 228, this Hindustan 228 is made. So this is given this name of 228 Hindustan. And coming to HAL, this is a public sector unit. It works under the Ministry of Defense. And coming to this Hindustan 228, this is a 19-seater, and it is a multi-role utility aircraft. It can be used for anything, any purpose. So with that view of making it a multi-role utility aircraft, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited made this. It is named Hindustan 228 because the prominence is with the name, because it is made by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and 228 stands for the name of this plane out of whose shape it is made, that is military plane Dornier 228. So this is about Hindustan 228. This recently underwent successful ground tests by HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The ground tests actually took place in Kanpur. So these are all the 5 topics for today, and thank you.